Orecchiette with broccoli rabe. That's our little cook along today. You can serve it with or without the meat. I have one package or 500 grams, just over a pound of orecchiette, little ear pasta. I have preserved lemon, which is traditional Moroccan cooking, but it is really tart and delicious. If this is new to you or you don't want to take the time to order it online, of course you can take a vegetable peeler, peel off the zest of a fresh lemon, thinly slice it or zest it. Just don't take the white or the pith and get that big explosion of lemon flavor. So you can use fresh, you can use dried chili flake, you can use Calabrian chili paste, you can use a combo if you like things real spicy. To make the broccoli rabe taste like sausage, we have fennel pollen or fennel seed or a combo of the two. And for every pound of pasta, I would use one good bunch. And I just barely trim the end and I blanched it a couple minutes in salted boiling water. And then of course you cold shock it. And then I just pat it dry on a kitchen towel. But I'm just gonna run my knife through and make bite-sized pieces. The garlic, you can do a bunch of things. You can just smash it and it literally pastes into your board and you scrape it up. You can thinly slice it, which is what my mom prefers. She likes to seed the garlic. I did a couple of slow turns, just enough to coat the pan with your olive oil, the EVOO. And I have some water coming up to a boil of the orecchiette. And I'm gonna salt the water so it tastes like the sea. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop the orecchiette because I know this can take a bit. When we get our olive oil hot, it will begin to ripple a little bit like gentle waves or a wake on a lake. That's when we can go ahead and add our rabes or rapini and let them get going. So I'm breaking up in a little cast iron skillet so I can keep the dish vegetarian for my mom and my sis. I am cooking off and crumbling up some sausage. We have our pasta cooking. Over here we have our broccoli rabe. Now we're ready to add our other ingredients to the broccoli rabe. Our preserved lemon or fresh lemon zest, our garlic. We're not over too high heat here. We're about medium heat. And then your choice of chili paste or fresh chilies. So a little Calabrian chili paste. And as I said, I make the broccoli rabe into fake sausage by adding a little fennel to that too. So fennel seed or fennel pollen or a combo. And a little salt. I'm gonna add a splash of water, pasta water, or stock. I made chicken soup already today, so I have some stock here. I'm gonna use a splash of stock. Now, of course, if you're making this vegetarian, you have to add vegetable stock. We just want to swirl that garlic and chili paste in there a minute. We don't want to take it too far. So I'm going to turn that off. This is now off while we finish cooking the orecchiette and browning our sausage. We always reserve our starchy cooking water before we drain our pasta. So now when we marry this, the sausage with the preserved lemon, the garlic, the chili paste, now we can add a little grated cheese. So here's our pasta two ways, guys.